Have you ever thought about breathing new life into your old carpet or rug? It's a fantastic DIY project that can completely transform your home decor. From choosing the right dye to the final rinse and dry, we'll walk you through every step. Stay tuned to discover a step-by-step guide on how to dye your carpet or rug. First things first, gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need carpet dye, a large bucket, hot water, a sponge or brush, and protective gear. Make sure you have a well-ventilated area to work in. Now, you're ready to choose your dye. Select a high-quality carpet dye in the color you desire. Remember, the type of carpet or rug material you're dyeing may require a specific type of dye, so consider this when making your choice. Next, you'll need to prep your workspace. Clear the space where your carpet or rug is located, ensuring you have ample room to work and that no other items are at risk of coming into contact with the dye. Time to clean your carpet or rug. Thoroughly clean it to remove any dirt, dust or stains, then let it dry completely. Once it's dry, you're ready to mix the dye. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to mix the carpet dye with hot water in your large bucket. Stir it thoroughly to ensure it's well combined. Before you go all in, perform a patch test in an inconspicuous area. This allows you to check if the color matches your expectations. Now, let's get dyeing. Dip your sponge or brush into the prepared dye mixture and begin applying it evenly. Work in sections, starting from one corner and moving toward the opposite. Once you've applied the dye, let it sit for the recommended time to allow the dye to set properly. After the dye has set, rinse the carpet or rug thoroughly with cold water until the water runs clear, then hang it to dry in a well-ventilated area. And voila! You now have a newly dyed carpet or rug. So that's how you can transform your old carpet or rug. By following these steps, you can breathe new life into your home decor. Remember, it's all about preparation, the right dye, and patience. Give it a try and enjoy the fresh, vibrant color of your newly dyed carpet or rug.